What the fuck was that noise?
Oh my god! Mrs. Puff, look at Perch's car!
Holy shit, his 2006 Honda Civic just exploded.
That's what he gets for trying to show off with his shitty car. Shit.
Yeah, it's him right. But why is he just honking the horn repeatedly?
Maybe it's some kind of weird reflex, like when you get scared and fart uncontrollably.
You SpongeBob? That's disgusting.
Sorry, Mrs. Puff, but seriously, what do we do now? Should we call someone?
Now let's just stand here and watch him honk like a dumbass.
Good idea! This is way more entertaining than boating school.
You're right, and look at all the smoke coming out of his car. It looks like a gunfart cloud.
Oh my god! I can't breathe!
This is the best day ever. Fuck you, Perch, and your stupid exploding car.
Hey, look! He stopped honking for a second. And now he's back at it again? What an idiot!
He probably thinks if he keeps honking long enough, someone will come save him or something.
Well, too bad for him because no one gives a shit about Perch or his shitty Honda Civic.
Hell, you let's just stay here and watch him honk until he runs out of gas.
This is the best day ever! Fuck you, Perch, and your stupid exploding car!
Crappy Papty Bone Kush
What's wrong with you? Langton can handle a little bit of my crappy passionity.
Crappy Papty Bone Kush
Oh, shut up and eat it. You know you want to.
Crappy Papty Bone Kush
That's right. Keep eating. Maybe it'll make you grow bigger so I can finally see you without a microscope.
Crappy Papty Bone Kush
Look at you, struggling to swallow that crappy passionity down your tiny throat.
Crappy Papty Bone Kush
You're pathetic, Plankton, just like your chum bucket of a wrist errant.
Crappy Papty Bone Kush